Hello everyone, welcome to Driven Math and Physics. So today we're continuing with the topic of polynomials. Last time I left you with some homework that I wanted you to work on, and so that's what we're going to start with today. I hope you will get the same answers that I'll get if if you do, then you're learning something. Okay, let's dive into it. So the first homework that I gave you was x. We wrote x, so I'll write here what is my dividend in the first problem. It will be x plus 2 minus 3x squared minus 2x to the power 3. Okay, so remember the rules. These things have to be in order of descending powers. Okay, very important. And if we have any missing terms, we introduce zero terms. Okay, so this is what it's going to become now. Make sure we write in order. We start with the term with the highest degree over the variable. So it will be 2x to the power 3 minus 3x squared plus x plus 2. Okay, and then we write the divisor. The divisor will be 1 plus 2x. Okay, very important. So let's write it in order as well. It will be 2x plus 1. Okay, so we'll write the division symbol. There we go. And then we write 2x to the power 3 as our dividend, 3x squared plus x plus 2. And then our divisor will be 2x plus 1. Now remember, we're still starting with the first term of the divisor. Okay, the one with the highest degree. So the highest degree there is 1. There's a power of 1 on x, so that's what we're starting with. So it will be 2x into 2x to the power 3. Okay, so 2x to the power 3 divided by 2x, then there it will be x squared. So x squared goes on the term in the dividend that has x to the power 3, so it's the power 2. So we say x squared times 2x will be 2x to the power 3. Okay, all right, and then x squared times positive 1, it will be plus x squared. You subtract the 2, and what you end up getting is 2x to the power 3 minus 2x to the power 3 is 0. And then negative 3x squared minus x squared, you get negative 4x squared. Okay, this is where you need to be careful. You need to make sure you're following the signs. Remember, the 3x squared has a negative sign, and we're also subtracting when there's a positive sign here. So it will be negative 3x squared minus plus x squared. So make sure you're good with your directed numbers. Now, and then 2x, the same 2x into negative 4x squared. Okay, so we say negative 4x squared divided by 2x. 2 into this 2, x there 1, so it'll be negative 2x. Okay, negative 2x times 2x. Okay, you get negative 4x squared. Negative 2x times positive 1, you get negative 2x minus. Okay, so you're taking care of the signs, making sure that you're not making any mistakes here. Okay, all right, so we write it there. And then negative 4x squared minus 4x squared is a 0. And then x minus 2x. Okay, x minus 2x, that becomes 3x. Okay, it becomes 3x. And then you drop down the 2. All right, so you say 2x into 3x, mind you, is 3x divided by 2x. This becomes 3 over 2, which is 1.5. So it becomes plus 1.5. Okay, 1.5. And so what you do is 1.5 times 2x, it gives you 3x. Okay, 1.5 times 1, it gives you plus 1.5. You subtract the 2. subtract the 2. Okay, I'm having a problem with my stylus here, don't know why, but yeah, but anyways, so you subtract the 2, and what you end up getting is 3x minus 3x is 0, and then 2 minus 1.5 gives you 0.5. okay, so what we end up writing is that our dividend, 2x to the power 3 minus 3x squared plus x plus 2, this one should be equal to the divisor multiplied by the quotient, 2x plus 1.5, and then you add the remainder. That should give you the dividend. Okay, so very important, and this is how you do it. That's the first example. I hope you got the same answer, but yeah, if you didn't, and I hope that you know how to do it right this time. Okay, this is how you do the long division for the first one. Okay, so let's work on the second one. Part B. So we have our dividend as 3a to the power 3 minus 1. Okay, so remember, in order of descending powers, and also if they are missing terms, you introduce 0 terms of those missing terms. Now it will be 3a to the power 3. Remember, the variable is a now, and so the missing terms are 0x squared and 0x and then minus 1. Okay, so those are the missing terms. And then our divisor is a minus 1. So there's nothing wrong with that one, so we'll maintain it. Oh, sorry about this. I was just saying now that our variable is actually a, and why I'm writing x, I don't know. It just happens, I think, subconsciously. But yes, let's continue. We write the division symbol like that. Then we put here a minus 1, and this is 3a to the power 3 plus 0a to the power 2 plus 0a minus 1. Okay, so a into 3a to the power 3 is 3a to the power 2. 3a to the power 2 times a is 3a to the power 3. 3a to the power 2 times negative 1 is minus 3a to the power 2. Subtract. So 3a to the power 3 minus 3a to the power 3 is 0. And then 0a squared minus 3a squared. That one gives you positive 3a squared. Okay, so 3a squared there. We drop down 0a. And then a into 3a squared. That gives you plus 3a. 3a times a gives you 3a squared. 3a times negative 1, you get a minus 3a. You subtract the 2. If you subtract the 2, 3a squared minus 3a squared is a 0, and then 0a minus 3a is positive 3a minus 1. Okay, and then a into 3a gives us plus 3. 3 times a is 3a. Okay, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. You subtract the 2. Okay, after subtracting the 2, 3a minus 3a is 0, and then negative 1 minus 3. Negative 1 minus 3 is positive 2. Okay, positive 2. For those who are confused, it's negative 1 minus 3. This becomes negative 1 plus 3, which is positive 2. Okay, positive 2. So always take note. There's a reason why when you see me doing this, where I'm dividing 2x, it's not because I can't do it in my head. It's just because I just want to make sure that what I'm getting is right. So make sure that you always confirm. Don't just assume that your head is always working properly. Okay, so it will help. Now the final answer will be written as the dividend 3a to the power 3 plus 0a squared plus 0a minus 1 should be equal to a minus 1 multiplied by 3a squared plus 3a plus 3 plus the remainder. Okay, plus the remainder. So that's how you're supposed to do this too. I hope you got the right answer. If you didn't, then I believe you know how to do it right this time. So yeah,